Good afternoon, everybody. So nice to be here. Back with some of you. Some of you here that weren't here for the morning prayer call. But it's just so good to be here. Okay, so let's give a few minutes for folks to come in. It just rotated on to 9 o'clock, to noon, I mean. So I'm sure there'll be some folks coming on momentarily. I'm going to take a minute like I always try to. This morning I forgot and did it later in the call. I am going to repost this onto my wall. And I invite everybody here to do the same. The more we share this out to the world, the more light the world gets shown into it. Because the darkness doesn't exist. And it's the amount of light that gets shown into it that becomes what the world is, which I love. So I'm going to see if I did that right. I think I did. I'm usually, pretty good with this kind of stuff. So, yep, it's there. The nature of darkness and light continued. Hi, Alita. Good afternoon. Teresa, good God moment meditation peeps. Okay. So, folks are coming in. Hi, Leanne. Nice to see you here. Life is life, and here we are. So we'll give it a few minutes now. I'm gonna, if you were here this morning, I was reading from the book Tantra, The Supreme Understanding by Osho. And this afternoon, I'm going to continue reading from the same chapter because I just like it. So, hi, Sally. Good to have you here. Dorothy, hello from Michigan. Nice to have you here. Nikki from Ohio, welcome, welcome, welcome. Getting folks coming on in. Feels good. Well, I'm grateful to have you here, Leanne. Teresa, all places and spaces where violence is or has been, justice for all. Absolutely. Let's shine a light in those places. And the best way we can shine a light is sometimes just by stopping, meditating, and being conscious of being here now. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, okay, I want to give it a few more minutes. We got a few folks here, but I know that more folks come on. It'd be nice to be able to share the reading with everybody. It's only 12:03. Hello, Nixie. How you doing? CJ, hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon. It is a good afternoon. As soon as I'm done here, I get to head off to a client's house and go to work. And I'm looking forward to it. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day in L.A. All right. Henry, hello. Good afternoon to you too, brother. Yes, yes, yes. 5 shares. Thank you, people. The more people that share this, the better. I love that share button. Simone, good afternoon. Catherine. Hi, Catherine. Alone. Good afternoon. Miracle Mile. I always love that. Miracle Mile. To live in Miracle Mile. I try to think I live in a miracle. Well, I don't try to think. I do think I live in a miracle. One miracle after another. Hi, Dorcas. Good day. Namaste. Yes, yes, yes. Lisa Lee. Peace and light from St. Louis. Barbara. Hi there. From Monroe, North Carolina. Gregory, hello. Cynthia, hello. Paltry, hello from Honolulu. Good afternoon from Torrance. Yes. Okay, now we're getting some folks coming in here. Well, we're at 12:05. As it throws into 12:06, I'm going to start reading. As I said, I'm going to continue reading from the chapter in this book, Nature of Darkness and Light. It's Tantra, The Supreme Understanding by Osho. And hi, Nicole, Nadine, Colleen. Ooh, yes. So I'm going to continue reading from this. And where I left off earlier, I'd left off with the idea that you need not do anything to darkness because it is simply not there. And it goes into a couple other good afternoon, Shay. And other things. It talks about the second thing about darkness, and it also goes into the third. And I'm not sure exactly how far I'm going to read. I'm going to go with how it feels, and we're going to do a little bit of a meditation. Hello, Celeste. Tarisha. Hello. Greetings from Georgia. Celeste from Detroit. Yes. I'm all over this country and all around the world. Nadine's calling from Tulum, Mexico. Yes. Yes. All right. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Deborah from San Francisco. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, so I'm going to continue this reading. And as I said, the nature of darkness and light. And it starts off with this part continuing what I was reading this morning for those of you that was here. For those of you that weren't here, this morning I started on page 53 of The Nature of Darkness and Light in Tantra, The Supreme Understanding by Osho. And you can get the book and you can start reading it. And I invite anybody here on this, anybody that hears me, I am accessible. You can find me here on Facebook. You can message me. You can call me. If you want my phone number, just ask for it. You can call me on the phone. I am here for us all. And when I am here for you, it means I am here for me because we are we. There's no line between me and you and us and them. So whatever you need, just somebody to talk to, somebody to pray with, perhaps a practitioner session. There's all kinds of things that we can do to benefit each other. So just know, I am here for us all. And each of you individually can reach me anytime. Anytime. There are times I can't answer the phone right away, but there's never a time that I don't get back to you rather quickly. Thank you. All right. So this is the second thing. Nothing can be done to darkness directly. If you want to do something with darkness, you will have to do something with light, not with darkness. Put the light off, and the darkness is there. Put the light on, and the darkness is not there. But you cannot put on and put off darkness. You cannot bring it from somewhere. You cannot push it out. If you want to do something with darkness, you have to go via light. You have to go in an indirect way. Never fight things which are not. The mind is tempted to fight, but the temptation is dangerous. You will waste your energy and life and dissipate yourself. Don't be tempted by the mind. Simply see whether a thing has a real existence or is just an absence. If it is an absence, then don't fight with it. Seek the thing of which it is the absence of. Then you will be on the right track. A third thing about darkness is that it is involved deeply with your existence in many millions of ways. Whenever you are angry, your light within you disappeared. In fact, you are angry because the light has disappeared. The darkness has entered. You can be angry only when you are unconscious. You cannot be angry consciously. Try it. Either you will lose consciousness or anger will be there. Or either you lose consciousness and anger will be there, or you will remain conscious and anger will not arise. You cannot be angry consciously. What does it mean? It means the nature of consciousness is just like light. That the nature of anger is just like darkness. You cannot have both. You cannot, if you are conscious, you cannot be angry. People come to me continually and ask how not to be angry. They are asking a wrong question. When you ask a wrong question, it is very difficult to get the right answer. First, ask the right question. Don't ask how to dispel darkness. Don't ask how to dispel worries, anguish, and anxiety. Just analyze your mind and see why they are there in the first place. They are there because you are not conscious enough. So ask the right question, how to be more and more conscious. If you ask how not to be angry, you will become the victim of some moralist. And if you ask how to be more conscious, so anger cannot exist, so lust cannot exist, so greed cannot exist, then you are on the right track. Then you will become a spiritual seeker. They use the word religious seeker, but I like the word spiritual seeker. Morality is a false coin. It deceives people. It is not spiritual at all. Spirit has nothing to do with morality because, and I'm going to go back to the word they use, religion has nothing to do with darkness. It is a positive effort to awaken you. It does not bother about your character. What you do is meaningless, and you cannot change it. You may decorate it. You cannot change it. You may color it in beautiful ways. You may paint it, but you cannot change it. There is only one transformation, only one revolution. And that revolution comes not by being concerned with your character, by your acts, by your doings, but being concerned with your being. Being is a positive phenomenon. Once the being is alert, awake, conscious, suddenly darkness disappears, and your being is the nature of light. Then it goes on to the fourth thing. And it's just so wonderful. Your being is the nature of light. Or being. I love that. I love that. Again, for those of you that may not have seen it, the book is called Tantra, The Supreme Understanding by Osho. And he just gets it. And he gives it. And he gives it in a way that's clear and easy to understand. Okay. So, let's take a minute and meditate here. Let's close our eyes if you want to close your eyes. Keep them open if you want to keep them open. Sit down if you want to sit down. Lie down if you want to lie down. Whatever you are, wherever you are, we can be meditating together. If you're walking, feel each step. It's important to feel each step, to feel each breath. I am here now. All right, let's start with a few good deep breaths together, okay? I just love it. Yes, Shay, I do. Now I sit here and I'm breathing, I'm listening, and I'm hearing some of the sounds going on around me. I can hear the branches brushing against the side of my house in the breeze. I can hear a plane in the distance flying, going somewhere, doing something. I can hear my heart beating inside of my chest, through my bones. feel the blood pumping through my fingers. As I sit, feel the vibration of Los Angeles, the world radiating out. As thoughts drift by, drift through my awareness, I witness them. I don't fight them. I let them go by and let them pass, and I come back to my breath. I come back to here, now. Life is. As I said, I experience this now moment. I know that I can choose to be here now whenever I desire to be here now. Being here now, never more than a breath or two away. I am here now. I am here now. As I am here now, I exist in gratitude. Gratitude for all that I am. All that I have been. All that I will be. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am grateful. I am grateful for being here right now with us, with the collective we of this group. This group that will never, ever be together as this exact formation ever again. I am grateful to be here, part of this group, right here, right now. This gratitude extends into the everything that is everything. Because there is only one thing. Life, lifing. God, godding. Love, loving. Joy, joying. The abundance of life is in everything as everything. This is true of me. I am. God is. Life is. This is true of you. Of we. We are. You are. God is. Life is. And today, as we move forward in this amazing day, I extend the blessing of love and light to you, through us, through we, knowing that we are a blessed group carrying this light into any and all darkness in the world, and that we will be and are the light that dispels the darkness. Yes, we are a blessing. We are blessed. I love you, each and every one of you are love, and I love you. Thank you. Amen. The darkness is not real, but the light sure as hell is. Yes. I live in the real. I live and respond from the life Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Yvonne. Bless it all. Thank you. Thank you. Ah. Yes, so beautiful here. Mexico. Wow, nice, Nadine. Wonderful. Okay, everybody. Beautiful day ahead, Teresa. Yes. You're welcome, Lenoris. Thank you for this blessing, Catherine. You're welcome, and thank you. I am the love, light, and peace. Namaste. Thank you, Celeste. Dorothy. Amen. Alita. I live in the real. Yes. 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 The real. The real life is lifing. And it is so beautiful. I may not get through all of these messages right away today. I got to get to work. So just know I'm reading them all now. I'm seeing them all now. And I'm loving them all now. Sally, thank you, and you're very welcome. Alon, and so it is. Always good stuff. Well, thank you. I enjoy. Sometimes I go back to hear it just to hear what came through me today. Grateful. Me too, Henry. Thank you. Blessings to you. Love you all. Namaste. Simone. Uli. Hello from Colorado. Yes. Thank you, Kelvin. Blessing. Leanne. Namaste. Otap. Lisa Lee. Many blessings, everyone, from Nikki. Peace and richest blessings to you all from Lisa Price. Teresa. Namaste. Mahalo, Kelvin, and everyone in this light-filled field. Thank you, Patri. Yes. Love and light to all. It is so beautiful. It's so beautiful to be here. As I said earlier on the prayer call, sometimes it's just hard to move on. Just know when you're going through today, no matter what the world is projecting to you, it's up to you what your perception turns it into in your life. Remember, your world is how you perceive the world. It's not the same to everybody. And we can actually step back in time travel, and change the way our world is by changing the way we perceived something in the past. And if it's so powerful to be able to do that in the past, imagine how we will change the world by perceiving it with love today, now, right here. Much love to all of you. Peace. And remember now, tune in to everything. You can find us on agapelive.com. You can look up practitioners at agapepractitioners.com. You can notify me right here on a message. You can call me on the phone. I am here for us at any time. Please know that I am accessible, not just here on every other Monday, but every day at almost any time. You can just pick up the phone and call me. Call me through Facebook. Send me a message. I will get back to you. Much blessings. Love you all. And there it is. Happy Valentine's Eve. Tomorrow's Valentine's Day. And I like to think every day is a love-filled day. But tomorrow we acknowledge the love we have for everybody. Will you be my Valentine? That felt good. Will you be my Valentine? Thank you.